Taizhou Huangyan Ouge Machine Mold Company Limited is located in the East China Sea coast, the famous Land of Plastic Mold, Huangyan, Zhejiang, specializes in the production of PET automatic and semi-automatic blowing machines, preform molds, and bottle molds. The main products include all kinds of carbonated beverage bottles, juice bottles, alcohol drinks bottles, and cosmetic containers, PMMA lamps, PP infusion bottles, edible oil bottles. Ouge consists of many professional engineers with rich experience in the PET industry and high-quality staff. Over the past several years, Ouge has always been devoting its utmost efforts to improving the technology, researching the market, and developing new products to suit for all customer needs. Ouge Company has always been adhering to the advanced design concept and good production technology. Due to superior products, advanced technology, favorable price, and high reputation after-sales service, even on-time shipment, it wins the trust of users. Our skilled team members will work together to finish your orders according to your exact specifications. Our products are quality approved, and our products can pass third-party test. It ensures your entry into overseas markets smoothly. We firmly believe that Ouge Machine you can trust and is most worthy of your cooperation partner, dedicated to working together to build a better tomorrow. Welcome you to visit our company.